Mangudlong Beach Resort. We're here in Mangudlong Beach Resort. Look at that. Yes, just a small space actually, like that. And the restaurant, and they're under renovation for some of their accommodation rooms. And this one, and the rocks over there. And the white sand beaches.